Love me some geometry. Here we go with question number 8 in a series of practice SAT questions here on Wagner Academy. It says in the figure above, a circle is tangent to the side of an equilateral triangle MMP and the radius r equals 6. So I'm going to write that in here. This is 6. I know that this triangle is equilateral, meaning that this would be 60 degrees here, here, and here. That could be important. What is the perimeter of M and P? So what's the perimeter of that equilateral triangle? Well, I know if this is 6, and I know if this is 60 degrees, and I take the center of the circle and connect it to one of the endpoints of the triangle, I know I'd be cutting 60 degrees in half. That would mean this would be a 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Since this is a tangent point right there, that's got to be 90 degrees. And on the SAT, they'll give you some formulas in case you forget the formula for 30, 60, 90 triangles. You'll actually have it there on like a page that you can either rip out as a formula guide or one you can refer back to. So this is one you should have memorized from your geometry class. It's going to be faster if you memorize these formulas beforehand, but you'll have this one as one of the formulas available that they give to you. But you got to know how to use it. It's in that 1:2 rad 3 ratio. Rad 3 means radical 3. That is about 1.7 if you put that into a calculator. And that's not, I put that on the wrong side there, I'm sorry. The rad 3 part being about 1.7, this would be the 1 part, the 1 ratio part. The longer leg would be the rad 3 part, and then the longest side, the hypotenuse, would be the 2 part. So this is 1.7-ish, and 2. It's in that ratio. We're trying to figure out what the perimeter of M and P is. So what's the point of doing all this, Mr. Wagner? Where are you taking us with this? Hold on. We're almost there. So do you see this? This is 6. Do you see this? 1 to rad 3 ratio. So if I'm going from here to here, I'm just multiplying by rad 3. That's all I'm doing. So I'm going to take this value, 6, and multiply it by rad 3. And that's going to give me the length of this segment from here to here, which is half the length of MP. If I knew what MP was, I just multiply that by 3 to get the perimeter. Aha, that's where you're going with that. Very clever, Mr. Wagner. Thank you. I appreciate that. So we have 6 rad 3. That means the whole length of MP would be twice that. Remember, that's just from here to here. That's just halfway. So MP is going to be twice that, 12 rad 3. And therefore, the perimeter is going to be that times 3. So 12 rad 3 times 3. 12 times 3 is 36. So we have 36 times the square root of 3. That answer is choice C.